Hello guys, Joel here with the unboxing of the new iPhone 4S. In its packaging from Flipkart. Let's go ahead open it. So here you have it in bubble wrap. Nice packaging by Flipkart. Here it is, the iPhone 4S in white. Let's go ahead and open it. So on the top we have the graphic. This is a new version. It comes with iOS 8. Left side iPhone 4S, Apple logo, iPhone 4S. Okay, at the back we have 8 GB, the downgraded, upgraded version. So let's go ahead and open it. There we have it, the iPhone 4S. The cleanest it'll ever be. Keep it aside for a minute. So we have the literature packet. Open it. SIM ejection tool. User manual. iPhone 4S, iPhone info, and Apple stickers. Just a card here. Nothing much. So inside we have 30-pin dock connector to USB, iPhone earpods, the old one, and the wall adapter, USB wall adapter. Fine, now let's get to the phone. Here we have the phone itself, covered in protective plastic. At the front we have the standard home button, front camera, mouthpiece, the hearing piece. This is something new. This is light sensors. Left side we have volume rocker, mute, headphone jack, noise cancellation mic, power button. Right side we have this SIM slot, bottoms, 2 speakers, and the 30-pin dock. Open it. So here we have the iPhone. Let's install the SIM card. SIM ejection tool. Looks like micro SIM here. So after installing the SIM card, we can turn it on. Apple logo. So again, at the bottom we have the 30-pin dock connector, speakers on both sides, antenna system, SIM tray, power button, the headphone jack, volume rocker, mute. Back we have white glass both sides, and shiny Apple logo, iPhone, 8 megapixel camera, and a flash. So, hello. English. India. Next, I'll just connect to my network. Joining. Done. Enable. Sign in with Apple ID. Agree. Agree. Use iCloud. Find my iPhone. Next. Create a passcode. Okay, I'll do that later. Manually send. Get started. There we have our iPhone with iOS 8. So this was unboxing of the iPhone.